Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable virtual memory in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Virtual memory, also known as a paging file, is a feature in Windows 10 that uses a portion of your storage drive, SSD, or HDD, as extra RAM. When your physical memory, RAM, is full, virtual memory allows the system to temporarily move data from RAM to the paging file, enabling your programs to keep running smoothly. However, because storage drives are slower than RAM, virtual memory is not as fast. Adjusting virtual memory can help optimize system performance for specific needs. How to enable or adjust virtual memory? Press Windows key +R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter to open System Properties. Go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window, switch to the Advanced tab and click Change under the Virtual Memory section. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select the drive you want to configure. Choose Custom Size and enter the initial size and maximum size in MB. Note, it's common to set the initial size to 1.5 times your RAM and the maximum size to 3 times your RAM. Click Set, then OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. How to disable virtual memory? Follow the same steps to access the virtual memory settings. Select the drive and choose No Paging File. Click Set, then OK. Restart your PC to finalize disabling virtual memory. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.